Attorneys. Historically, they have been considered to be the pillars of the community, educated, respected, and just. Cicero, Adams, and Abraham Lincoln and Gandhi were all lawyers who used their training for civil progress and for societal good. 24 of the signers of the Declaration of Independence were attorneys, and more than half of all U.S. presidents have been attorneys. So what about attorneys today? Has the tide turned to focus on attorneys aptly called ambulance chasers? Or do most attorneys still possess the leadership and social values of the past?
The importance or the significance of lawyers and judges in society is connected to the fact that every successful society in history, actually, has been governed by laws. Every interaction that an individual has with others, with their government, with society in general, in commerce, is governed by law.
Attorneys are taught that they're to be advocates. They're to zealously represent the interests of their clients within the bounds of the law. And sometimes those clients aren't very popular, or their causes aren't very popular. But an attorney needs to be an advocate and needs to zealously represent that cause within the bounds of the law.
Attorneys today work every day helping clients understand and apply the law in ways that many of us never see.
One of the things I've been able to do as a lawyer is to participate on community boards. One that I've participated in for the last 10 years is a local theater, which is a very prominent regional theater, and I'm currently the chairman of the board. It makes me feel great. I've been able to bring my legal skills to bear in order to help the community and the arts.
All kinds of people and all types of businesses deal with legal issues, contract disputes, real estate transactions, estate planning. All of these are situations in which having the assistance of an attorney makes a difference. And even people who don't actively employ an attorney still benefit from an attorney's work.
To be honest, in an ideal society, we wouldn't need lawyers, but unfortunately, conflicts arise. There are situations where you might be in an accident and it's not your fault, or it might be your fault, or there might be some ambiguity and you need a lawyer to come in and help you sort out that situation. You might be faced with financial distress and need to consider bankruptcy as an option. If you want to get a loan, if you're looking to purchase real estate, any of those activities inevitably involve a lawyer. Even if you don't see the lawyer has been involved in preparing the documents.
Client by client, case by case, attorneys continue to represent clients and improve society in important ways. And many attorneys go the extra mile and help change the negative stereotypes that have evolved over time. Durham, Jones, and Pinegar's award-winning team offers legal services in more than 20 specialized fields, including business and finance, litigation, real estate, intellectual property, tax, and family law.
Our goal in providing legal services is to emphasize integrity, experience, and vision. Integrity because we have the trust of the people who come to us for our help, and we must be honest and we must be moral and ethical in helping them. Experience because an experienced lawyer is a competent lawyer, and people expect competent service when they come to you. And vision because they want you not just to tell them how to do things, but also why they need to do what you're asking them to do and showing them to do.
We've grown rapidly over the last 20 years, and a lot of that growth has come from lateral hires, meaning that we've brought in high-quality attorneys from all parts of the country. And so we have attorneys who have experience in various areas of the law, but also have had experience in a variety of different law firms, and they bring the best of that together to DJP.
As one of the largest law firms in Utah, the attorneys at Durham, Jones, and Pinegar use their knowledge and skill to benefit their clients and community. They frequently offer legal services pro bono to an array of local causes.
We try to contribute and really make a difference in the community. We do that in a variety of ways. We have activities where we invite all the members of the firm to render service, to pick a charitable organization where we, for an afternoon or a day, can go and contribute our efforts in trying to help move their objectives forward.
An attorney is an advocate an attorney is acting oftentimes in place of their client.
Well, in order to give good legal advice, an attorney has to understand the facts, he has to understand the law, he has to understand really what his client wants. All three of those things are important for the attorney to understand and have a clear vision of.
I think that an attorney's ability, experience, and expertise are really critical. And to have an experienced lawyer with a high degree of expertise is important to solving most of the problems that most people face.
Through professional practice and personal commitment, the attorneys at Durham, Jones, and Pinegar are bringing expertise, vision, and integrity to the forefront. Visit us online at djplaw.com.